So in the question we have 2 grams of monoatomic gas occupies 2 liters. So mass is equal to 2 grams and it occupies 2 liters. So volume is equal to 2 liters at a pressure of 8.3 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Temperature is 127 degrees Celsius. We need to convert it into Kelvin. It is 400 Kelvin. Now we'll take everything in its SI unit. Temperature is in its SI unit. Pressure also. Volume should be converted into its SI unit. So 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 cubic meter. So 2 liters is equal to, so volume is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 cubic meters. Now mass should be converted into kilogram. So 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 kilograms. So 2 grams is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kilograms. And value of R is equal to 8.3. So we know PV is equal to, we need to find the gas. We can find it by using its molecular weight. We can find the gas by finding the molecular weight. So PV is equal to small m by capital M into R into T. So we need to find m. So it is equal to mRT by P into V. So m is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. R is 8.3. T is 400. P is 8.3 into 10 to the power of minus T. Pressure is 8.3 into 10 to the power of 5 into volume is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Both will get cancelled. 8.3, 8.3. Both will get cancelled. So molecular mass is equal to 0.004 kilograms. But this is equal to 4 grams. So molecular weight of helium is 4 grams. So the gas is helium. So the option is 3.